Hello and welcome to Tech Tips in a Flash with the Student Data Systems team. This tech tip will focus on cybersecurity, safe browsing tips. In a world where the internet is a part of our daily lives, ensuring your online safety and privacy is critical. Before delving into secure browsing tips, it's critical to understand the risks, hazards, and vulnerabilities. Here are a few of the most common dangers. Malware. When you download files, click on untrustworthy links, or visit compromised websites, malicious software can infect your device. Malware can steal your data, damage your systems, or track your online activities once infected. Phishing attacks involve duping users to disclosing sensitive information such as login credentials, credit card information, or personal information. These attacks frequently disguise themselves as legitimate emails or websites. Many websites and online services collect and share personal information without your permission, which can invade privacy and unwanted tracking. Hacking is when cybercriminals try to gain unauthorized access to your account or devices, resulting in financial loss and damage to your online identity. Unsecured Wi-Fi networks expose your data to interception, as attackers can intercept your data. Now that we've taken a look at the risks, hazards, and vulnerabilities associated with browsing the internet, let's take a look at some tools and best practices to improve your online security. Use privacy-focused browsers such as Firefox, Safari, and Google Chrome. Installing the latest versions helps keep your device secure. Fortunately, most common browsers include options to automatically update. Use strong passcodes that are at least 8 characters long and include a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Two-step verifications make it harder for someone to access your account, even if they steal your password. Clearing your browsing history and cookies removes information that websites automatically store on your device when you visit them. Block pop-up ads when possible. While desktop pop-ups from your operating system are unavoidable, pop-ups in your web browser can often be switched off. Pay attention to the URL security icons. You can easily tell if a website you're visiting provides a secure connection. HTTP indicates the connection isn't secure and is susceptible to third-party interference. HTTPS is secure, encrypting any data or information you share on that site. So remember, when browsing the internet, make sure you use a safe browser, update your browser, choose a two-step verification, use a strong password, clear browsing history and cookies, block ads when available, and choose HTTPS over HTTP. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips in a flash.